You sure you want to get back up there?
Keep one foot down.
You're rethinking it? What are you thinking? You thinking maybe more success this time around? I know it's tempting.
Are you sure, Avery? Now what?
Oh, you're back up.
Now what are you gonna do?
What's the next step?
Oh, why'd you get back up there? Why'd you get back up? What happened?
You took a little tumble, didn't
What
we?
happened?
I'd say you get back up there one more time. You should definitely get back up there. Definitely. No question about it.
You sure? Yeah, I don't think you should. I wouldn't do it.
Avery, you sure? There you go. That's a good girl.
I tell ya. I see we're starting to get into climbing now.
You're really trying to swing that leg up on there.
Why do you want up there so bad?
Why do you want to ruin my couch? With your slobber.